place called Ghent, Ohio, or excuse me, West Virginia, and apparently came across this memorial. Don't know anything about this. As the sign says, I guess there was a little general store that used to be here for 30 years. And I guess a propane explosion basically destroyed the place. Killed 4 people who were here at the time, injured a few others. And like I said, I don't know anything about this. It was just kind of a spur of the moment thing right here. Maybe I could find some pictures of it online. Got a fairly nice view. As you can tell, it's raining outside like crazy. And looks like there are some other memorials there. I don't know who for. Rain is going to get on my camera, but yeah, I guess this is where that store stood for a while, up until about 2007 anyways. It's crazy.